Navigating the intricacies of relationships is akin to mastering an art form. From expressing affection to maintaining trust, each brushstroke contributes to the masterpiece of love. In this journey, understanding what women truly desire from their partners is paramount. Join me as we explore the key elements that ignite and sustain the flames of passion and connection, unveiling the secrets to fostering fulfilling relationships. 1. Not trying to fix her. When women face challenges, they often process emotions alongside the issue. In contrast, men tend to focus on finding solutions. However, attempting to solve problems prematurely can lead to discord. Men can support their partners better by practicing empathy, which involves understanding and sharing their experiences. Rather than offering fixes, simply acknowledging and validating her emotions can make a significant difference. What she truly seeks is acceptance and empathy in the moment of struggle. So instead of jumping to solutions, offer understanding and reassurance to provide the support she needs. 2. Treating her like a woman. Navigating the concept of treating women like women in today's egalitarian society can be nuanced. While women rightfully demand equal treatment in various spheres, they still appreciate gestures that acknowledge their femininity. Acts like opening car doors, surprising them with their favorite scent, expressing admiration for their appearance, or planning romantic dates resonate deeply. Simple acts of kindness, such as foot rubs, bringing flowers, or assisting with tasks, reaffirm their sense of being cherished and respected. Recognizing equality between genders doesn't negate the desire for occasional gestures that uphold traditional notions of femininity. 3. Not trying to protect her all the time. Balancing between treating a woman with respect and avoiding the perception of fragility is crucial. Some men withhold information under the guise of protecting their partners, resorting to seemingly harmless white lies with significant consequences. These lies might involve promising to be home for dinner at 6 p.m. when plans have changed, or downplaying a night out that extends beyond a single beer. Similarly, encounters with ex-partners are often omitted to prevent unnecessary worry or jealousy. However, these actions undermine trust and transparency in the relationship. Honesty, even when uncomfortable, fosters a foundation of mutual respect and understanding. 4. The ability to follow through. Consistency is key in relationships. It's about proving reliability through actions. When you commit to something, follow through. Whether it's a movie date, fixing the car, or taking the kids out, keep your word. Broken promises erode trust and breed doubt, undermining the foundation of affection. Women's insecurities amplify when promises are unfulfilled, causing unseen damage. Recognize the significance of honoring commitments. Set achievable goals and prioritize fulfilling them, especially for your partner. Start by addressing the list above, then commit to consistently showing your love through actions, not just words. 5. The ability to communicate well. Effective communication is essential in relationships, particularly for women who often desire more verbal affirmation from their partners. They long to hear compliments on their appearance, recognition of their achievements, and appreciation for their efforts. These words of affirmation not only boost their self-esteem, but also strengthen the bond between them and their partners, fostering a sense of security and validation. Sadly, many women find themselves unacknowledged for their support, efforts, and sacrifices. Whether it's staying late at work, making an extra effort to look good, or helping with responsibilities, their gestures of love often go unnoticed. Despite the assumption that their partners understand their appreciation implicitly, women crave explicit verbal acknowledgement. Expressing gratitude and admiration for their actions is crucial in making them feel valued and cherished. Even if articulating emotions is challenging, simply vocalizing recognition and gratitude can make a significant difference in nurturing a fulfilling relationship. 6. The ability to be affectionate. Men frequently grapple with expressing affection within relationships, their actions often shaped by observations of their parents' interactions. If their upbringing involved instances where affection was conditional upon completing tasks or as a means of control, they may internalize this dynamic as typical relationship behavior. Without exposure to healthy demonstrations of intimacy, they may struggle to navigate this aspect of their relationships. Conversely, women may interpret gestures like withdrawing from physical contact or avoiding embraces as indicators of diminished love or attraction. These misinterpretations sow seeds of insecurity that can significantly strain the relationship's fabric. Engaging in open dialogue about intimacy can serve as a conduit for mutual understanding and empathy. By delving into the underlying reasons behind affectionate behaviors, couples can cultivate an environment of trust and support. This proactive approach not only mitigates insecurities, but also fosters a deeper connection and promotes relationship satisfaction.